If you are wondering if we have a memory card slot available on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer is no. Unfortunately, you cannot really use the microSD card on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. I mean, you cannot really put it directly into the smartphone. Over here, I have the SIM tray. This is, of course, where you usually insert the microSD card into the phone. But as you can see, we only have the SIM card slot. There is no way to actually put the micro SD card. There's just no way. There is no dedicated slot for that. And if you desperately want to have access to your micro SD card storage, then in that case you need to use an additional accessory, which is usually the memory card reader with a USB-C cable. So of course you can put the micro SD card into the memory card reader and then you can connect it to the phone. But of course, it's just additional hassle, so I know it's not a perfect solution. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.